Hello legends, hope you're doing well. Today's video is a little different from my usual content because in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert your low quality images into high quality ones, remove image backgrounds effortlessly, and even generate stunning AI images using just a single prompt, all in just a few clicks. So let's get started. The app we're using today is called HitPaw Photo Enhancer. You can use it on Android, iOS, Mac, Windows, and even on the web. If you'd like to try it out, make sure to check the download link in the description below. Alright, I've already opened the software on my computer. Once you launch it, you'll find several useful tools, and honestly, every one of them can come in handy. Let's start with enhancing a low quality image. I'll simply click on Enhance Photos and then import my image. Once the image is added, you'll see multiple enhancement options on the right side. You can customize everything according to your needs. But for this demonstration, I'll leave everything on the default settings and simply click on Preview. After waiting for a few seconds, the image will be processed and the result is ready. And wow, just look at that. The software has enhanced the image incredibly well. The details are much sharper, the quality is cleaner, and the overall image looks significantly better than before. Honestly, the result exceeded my expectations. If you want to save the enhanced image, simply click on Export and you're done. Now let me show you another extremely useful feature, Background Remover. You can find it either in the toolbar above or in the Tools section below. I'll click on it and import my image. Once the image is loaded, I'll simply click on Remove and wait a few moments. And there we have it. The result looks amazing. The AI has removed the background very accurately without affecting important details like hair, which is usually the hardest part. I'm genuinely impressed with how clean the cutout looks. If you'd like to add a new background color, you'll find multiple color options on the right side. Here you'll find multiple options such as image to image, text to image, and chat to image. For this example, I'll use text to image. After clicking on it, you'll see various AI models that you can use for image generation. Above that, you'll find a prompt box where you can simply type your idea. I'll enter my prompt and click generate. After a short wait, the AI creates the image, and as you can see, the result looks fantastic. And if you want even better quality, simply click on AI Upscale. After a few moments, the image will be enhanced to a higher resolution with improved details. So guys, whether you call it a software or an app, it's honestly a very useful tool. It can save you a lot of time and make your workflow faster, easier, and more efficient. It's especially helpful for editors, designers, content creators, and anyone who works with images regularly. If you'd like to try it yourself, make sure to check out the download link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye-bye.